Hi guys, welcome back. So I know I look a little rough today, no makeup, no hair, nothing, but today we're going to be cleaning and decorating my living room. Finally, I know I've been talking about this video for a long time and it's finally here. I finally recorded it today. I love how everything came out. It's so pretty. It's everything I had in my head. My living room is finished. Yay! Finally, I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun recording it for you guys and seeing how everything was coming out like together. It made me so excited. It made me so happy. Now I can move on to my dining room. Well, actually no, I think the dining room is gonna have to wait because I think I'm gonna do my fall decorate with me because my pumpkins, you know, I have so many pumpkins and I want to decorate for the fall. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys like how it came out. I really love how it came out. Thank you so much for watching and let's get into the video. Okay, so these are all the things that I have been buying little by little and collecting for my living room. I've been buying things little by little and I've just been putting them away because I was just waiting for the last piece to just bring everything together. So I'm really excited to finally like put it up and to see my living room finished. Well, not completely 100% finished, but yes, like to the point where I'm happy, you know. So I want to tell you where the things that I got are from because I know you guys are gonna ask me, so I want to do that really quick. These frames right here, those are from Hobby Lobby. This plant, honestly, I had it for a while, so I don't even know where it's from. The lamp, it's from Ross. The elephant is from At Home. This candle is from Target. The books are from the Goodwill. This little thing, I think it's from Target. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. The frame, this one right here is from Hobby Lobby. This box is from Home Goods. This plant is from Home Goods. This base right here is from Hobby Lobby. And then these plants are from Hobby Lobby also. So these are all the things that I'm gonna be using for the living room. And then these pillows too. These pillows, okay, so these pillows, I bought just the pillowcase. It has like a little zipper right here and I ordered them from Amazon because they were really cheap. So it was this two and this two, and the pillows, that the inside part, I already had it because, you know, I buy pillows all the time. I have a pillow obsession, so I buy them, but they're so expensive and sometimes they get dirty or stained or something, and I just take off the cover and I'm just left with the inside thing. And I have so many and I was just putting them away, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy pillow covers and instead of buying the whole pillow. So that's what I did with this one and this one, and I'm actually really impressed because they're really good quality. Like these ones are so extremely soft, so I think I'm gonna keep doing that. They have a lot of styles and colors and everything, so I think that's what I'm gonna keep doing from now on. So I'm gonna be using these pillows too. And then the last piece that I was literally waiting for, this is what I was waiting for to like bring everything together, was this little side table. I got two of them. I got them from Walmart, online from Walmart, and this is literally what the last piece that I was waiting for. So I'm so excited that I finally have them. I'm gonna clean first. I'm gonna pick up the living room a little bit and then I'm gonna start decorating. Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning the living room. It's all blank and ready for me to put everything up. I'm gonna start putting all my things up right here and move them around and see how I like it, how I like it, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started into the decorating.
Yeah!
Okay, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys think about this mirror right here? So I've had it from the other house and it's brown and gold, and I know I do want a tall mirror there for sure. I'm not sure if I want to keep that brown one or if I want to do a silver one. What do you guys think? You guys think I should keep the brown one or sell it and get a silver one? Let me know in the comments below.